हाय, मेरा नाम है अदिति एंड आप सुन रहे हो काइपन अदिति. दिस इज जनवरी अनहिंज्ड, अ मंथ वेयर आई विल बी अपलोडिंग न्यू एपिसोड every single day at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I'm experimenting, I'm trying out something new. I do hope you like it and I do hope you share my episode with your friends. I appreciate your time. I love hanging out with you guys. All right, let's begin today's episode about, my conscious thought patterns, what is happening, what is up. So here's something that I wanted to share. Like, I'm absolutely not proud of it, but I think we can all learn something from it. As a woman, there never has been a day where I felt safe, whether on the street or even in the college. Like, I know what kind of men exist, and so I know how to dress up for the occasion no matter where I go. Like, you dress जैसा देश वैसा नहीं, जैसा देश वैसा भेस, like, right? You need to be aware about where you're going and how you dress for a certain occasion and certain locality, and you need to know about that, right? But the constant thought of safety has always been there, and I think a lot of women would agree with this. A lot of times the what ifs bother me a lot. Almost every other thought at this point in my life. There was a phase, like, I was like, the entire struggle, 28, 29 was like an absolute year of my life was struggle for me with regards to how I thought. My thinking was so pessimistic and so negative. Like, it took me almost a year to realize my thought pattern have been in this overthinking mode, constantly thinking about negative outcomes, and bad shit was gonna happen. And for example, like, I was walking on the street and I would see this बहुत बड़ा गड्ढा खोद के रखा है रास्ते में, एंड आई थॉट कि अरे मैं इसमें गिर गई तो कौन बचाने आएगा. या मे बी कोई सामने कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है एंड हैवी मशीनरी उठा के वो लेके जा रहे हैं क्रेन में हवा में, एंड वो सडनली गिर गया तो मेरे अंग पे गिर गया तो what if it falls on me and I die, or it squeezes my brain out, and that's it, the end. Like, that's how it's gonna end for me. And so what I mean when I say, this is like the negative thought pattern that I've caught myself. I'm like, every situation and every scenario, I would think that something was out there, very negative outcome basically, and just in a really, really bad way to think was also like big. There was something that I became habitual to, like, it became a habit, and I knew I needed to stop thinking so much about negative outcomes at every turn, at every corner, every turn of it all. And thinking negatively also gave me so much anxiety. मतलब ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है, बट अगर हो गया तो, एंड वो हो गया तो के चक्कर में जो एंग्जाइटी होता था वो अलग था. लाइक, देयर वर डेज वेयर आई कुड नॉट स्टेप आउट ऑफ द हाउस. लाइक, मैं डिप्रेस नहीं हूँ, थैंक गॉड, टच वुड. आई एम जस्ट ग्रेटफुल for a good mental state. I was just afraid to live freely. That's what I'm afraid to do. I'm afraid to live freely. So how do you get out of this mess? How do you change the way you think? How do you change your pattern of overthinking, from going from overthinking mode to believing ki whatever is happening for the best, for the highest good, for myself. It was my, like, self-awareness that was the starting point of it all. Like, I knew I needed to put in a conscious amount of effort to think positively. It's not मतलब ऐसा हलवा नहीं है कि यार आप निकले और आप सोचने लगे. मतलब इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ अनडूइंग. वो एक हैबिट बन चुका है टू थिंक कि भाई मैं ये करूँगी तो ऐसा ही नेगेटिव होने ही वाला है, ऐसा ही होने वाला है. बट टू कॉन्शियसली बी अवेयर एंड टू थिंक कि अच्छा, मैंने प्रोजेक्ट पिक किया है कि इसका पॉजिटिव ही आउटकम होगा, वो थॉट प्रोसेस बदलना was very, very difficult for me. Whether be it finding a job or a partner, or even enrolling in an activity like yoga. It was very difficult to think about positive outcomes, and I had to do that. I had to put in a lot of effort into changing this false narrative. Like, my anxiety was at one point lying to me so much that I could not get out of the house. As I was saying, thinking positively is a habit that needs to be cultivated. There, I said it. ये कल्टिवेट करना पड़ता है, निकालना पड़ता है खुद के दिमाग से, खुद के दिल से, खुद को बदलना पड़ता है. एट सर्टेन पॉइंट it would be absolutely miserable if you can't think positively. That's what I've learned. The biggest turning point for me was when I started listening to a lot of affirmations on YouTube. Just if you are in the same boat as I am, you're afraid just कि कुछ खराब ही हो जाएगा, या you're very absolutely pessimistic or very negative about your thought process or like how it would turn out, I want you to tune that out, because there's always negativity sells. I understand negativity, negative mindset, it just sells out in media faster than positivity, and we need to make positivity more louder even in ourselves, in our brain, in our heart. It was a lot, and I had to tune out all of that and tune into a lot of affirming people and affirming beliefs, and that's where affirmation came in. So I logged on to YouTube and I started searching for a lot of positive affirmations about how lucky I am, about how easy it is for me to succeed, about how much money I'm making in a month, and how lucky I am, and I'm just grateful, glowing, growing, flourishing. I intentionally, started saying things out loud, positive outcomes, day in and day out. I would just keep saying that things are working out in my favor, everything is happening for me, just good shit. People listen to, like, even people listen to music or podcasts all day. I started listening to affirmations all day. ये 8-8 9-9 10-10 घंटे के affirmations थे, until I would listen to this, until it started echoing in my brain after I switched off my TV. So TV पे वो background में चल रहा है, and I'm here working on my laptop. It's that level of affirmations what I needed, and I knew I needed this. Like एक ऐसे होता है ना, आप इंस्टाग्राम पे एक ही सॉन्ग सुन रहे हो, अब वो ना गरबा नाइट के टाइम पे, गरबा के वक्त, नवरात्रि के वक्त गोती लो वो सॉन्ग चल रहा था, एंड वो इतनी बार सुन लिया था वो सॉन्ग की फ़ोन बंद करने के बाद भी वो म्यूज़िक आपके अगर दिल दिमाग में चल रहा है, तो that means you heard it for too long. And it's the same logical reasoning that I applied for this, कि इतना चलना चाहिए वो, कि इतना फर्म बिलीफ होना चाहिए कि अच्छा ही होगा, अच्छा ही होगा, अच्छा ही होगा, बस आप यही बोलते रहो, होना ही है. मतलब यू हैव टू ब्रेन वॉश योर सेल्फ, यू हैव टू बी डिल्यूजनल, यू हैव टू ब्रेन वॉश योर सेल्फ इनटू थिंकिंग कि नहीं, अच्छा ही होना है, आउटकम अच्छा ही होना है, मेरे ही फेवर में होना है. मुझे लगता है तभी हम ओपन होते हैं, वी आर मोर ओपन टू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड having even luck in our favor. I think I'll make an episode about this, about how we can become more luckier in our day-to-day life, but it was another topic for another day. But it's just, I had to remind myself a lot of these days कि यार I've come very very far. I've बहुत struggle किया था, and मेरे parents ने तो बहुत struggle किया, and I've seen all of that, and now how I'm in a much better place right now, geographically, and like a lot of good shit are aligned and happening in my favor, and I'm immensely grateful for such moments. And then my parents were visiting the other month, and I sat down with them, we had lunch, we had breakfast, whatever, and I saw a very similar pattern that was happening to me. It happened to one of my parent, about this negative outcome and negative thinking and like this dar ke jeena. And I realized, like, you have to at one point know ki as you grow old, as you are like hitting your 60s 70s, it is very hard for them to change and to adapt to change. But for me to even be aware and understand, oh my god, I was this is not a good way to do it. It was just my general awareness ki okay, this is not a good pattern. And I understand eventually we all will become like our parents, but there are things we all know that we do not want, and it's good to be just aware about it. That's all I'm trying to say. It's good to be aware ki how much we are like our parents, and what and where do we draw a line, and what and where can we improve ourselves. Yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, nobody is perfect, we are not perfect, we are all trying our best to live the way we can cope up. And with the ever changing world, it is scary, it is for sure scary. So we're taking it day at a time. Just be more self aware. That's what I'm saying, that's where the game changes, to be more self aware. Yeah. All right, that's it for today. This was my thing, my conscious thought pattern that I caught on pretty early on, I guess. Not earlier, मतलब मेरे को और जल्दी पकड़ना था, पर ये काफ़ी टाइम बाद मेरे को समझ में आया कि मैं कर क्या रही हूँ. बट आई होप यू कैन लर्न अ लेसन और टू फ्रॉम दिस. या ठीक है, आज के लिए इतना ही. I'll see you tomorrow.